Welcome back. This is the Train Expert channel. We're only going to be doing 3 more videos of this and we're done. This is the same very short grain hopper train heading back to Titusville. Let's check it out. You see, I was trying to show the viewers in a minute. I just want to show the viewers what's going on before I... What?
Oh, that one's pretty.
That's a nice hopper right there. Yep, this is a really short freight train, and there comes a semi-truck.
Yep.
Over down there beside the train, they're having some marching band practices right there. Let's get there. Yeah, I need some videos on the truck videos, and we're gonna get one here. What? It's right there. I gotta... There you go. We'll pass this train, and then we'll get... Come on, yeah, come on. I can't get it. I can't... We'll pass this train, and then we're gonna get off and get back on. We're gonna get the next train over there by Burger King, and then we'll end at Quality End to end the Train Expert channel, just like where the opening, where we did the opening at. This is train number 20. Is it? Wait. We saved all the showers of this. We're going to have trains in the rain to end the Train Expert channel. Huh? Let's see that. It's right there. Huh? Where'd it go? Yep, he's there all by himself because Tom's on the... He's getting wet. There's A's truck. Here's a Penske truck there too. Alright, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on with this the second to the last train. That will be at Burger King it is, huh? Talk to you later.